Hello everyone, this is Jagat Yadav and welcome to all of you and welcome to on my YouTube channel Strange 11. So basically now you are seeing the screen on the screen Python interface. So today I'll share with you how to make a digital smartwatch by using just a few codes, means Python codes. So let's see. So guys, here we have Jupyter notebook. Just write first code from tkinter import star. That means all type of libraries import in tkinter. Tkinter, that is simply it is used for GUI forms. Then now you have to need from tkinter.tkk import and import date and time and root tk, then root title clock title, which means it will be present on your interface coming to output, and define the function string str fine strf time, then this, then you have to need label, then label root found. Thousand means 1 second, यानी कि after 1 second clock will be loop will be going on. So ds digital, firstly you will download to a this digital font. You will need download ds digital file. You can easily access from Google. That's it, and you have need just to install it. Then after that, background color is black. You can write here any kind of color, and foreground color I write here cyan. You can change it. Then label pack, another center or right side, left side, you can choose it. Then time, then main loop. Now I'll run this program. So let's check what is the output of this program. Let's see. Yeah, this is our output. So guys, you can see it. Now at that time 2:50, 8 second, 19 second, 21 second PM, AM and PM. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.